Hey there, so here's quick tip how to restore hidden chats in Character.ai app. So basically just go to the character, tap just three dots in top right, just under a character name, go to view character or just on the previous page. You can also just tap like in the top, just under the name. And then what happens that this app, if you just go to your profile, it will appear in your liked tab. And yeah, if you really like some chats with character, just make sure to like them, because then see, I just go and hide character. So now character is hidden in my chats, but then I can always go to my liked tab and just tap on it, and then it will reappear in the recent chats if you just refresh it. So that's how you unhide characters. That's what my viewers told me from my YouTube channel. So that's the process, what you can try out. Yeah, because there are some weird bugs right now in Character AI. So just make sure to save your favorite characters this way.